It's been 3 weeks since Casey's injury. That event delayed the build process, and until then, the engine has sat virtually untouched. Last week, the engine stud was repaired, the cylinder head was torqued, and the timing components were installed. Now it's time to install the PErrin header, up pipe, air pump delete, and most of all, test fit the big turbo. With Casey still recovering and in pain, can we still do this?
Really? Yeah, I can have a beer. Just because I got a broken leg doesn't mean I can't have a beer.
Drink away. We got a box of goodies, guys. All right.
Friday,
So of course we're gonna need some coolant. Oh, honeydew snow foam. That's right. So because you ordered a whatchamacallit?
Yeah, I got a pressure washer. Comes here on Friday.
Yeah.
Finally.
Some engine oil.
Okay. I was like, where's the part that we needed?
Yeah.
I think that's the oil cap.
Oh, that's right. Casey had to order extra stuff in order to get free shipping.
Yeah, so I just, threw this thing in there.
So this is actually what we need to get started with the engine build today, or to continue on with the engine build. I know you guys have been waiting a couple weeks now. So we have gaskets from Grimspeed. Of course, we always recommend Grimspeed gaskets because they are thick. I think they're like
7 layers.
I don't know how many layers are on there, but yes, top quality gaskets, guys.
Oil filter.
Well, that's a small filter.
Yeah.
So Jared recommended the new style of tensioner. Apparently he was saying, if you saw our last video, that the OEM ones fail. So we ended up getting a new one, and we're gonna put that in.
Yeah.
These ones fail. They now have upgraded to a larger diameter piston.
Oh, okay.
So in the last 3 years, I've seen at least 2 or 3 of these fail. I've had them come in and maybe have slop, or they've leaked around the seal.
Oh, okay.
But obviously that's heavier duty.
So that's like a stock one now? That's what the stock
Yeah, this is the stock ones now, from Gates.
Okay.
So.
Real simple job. We just put the PErrin Big Tube header on there. So really easy. We just gotta put the nuts on. Grimspeed gaskets are there. And where are the nuts, bro?
The wife has them.
French?
I mean, my hands still work, dumbass. Come on.
Just had to take off this bracket. This bracket was in the way of the up pipe, and yeah, I think this goes with the stock turbo. We don't need this bracket anymore because we're not using the stock turbo anymore. What's that there? Oh, turning on the barbecue, huh?
Yep, dinner rolling. Wife is making.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Also, another Grimspeed gasket. Love these gaskets, by the way. Put the wastegate on, but Casey's unsure right now of which springs to use on the wastegate.
I'm using black and blue right now, so I think that should be fine to keep running black and blue. I don't know. I'm gonna call a tuner, I guess. Or if you guys have any recommendations for precision 6266 turbo.
Why don't we just weigh it like everything else?
Yeah, that's probably not a good idea. None of that one.
No.
Remember we were gonna put like the spring pressure at 24 pounds the first time?
Oh yeah.
Because that's where we were gonna like, but then like they wouldn't lift until 24 pounds. So
oh, yeah.
It's a good thing we didn't do that.
True. Yeah, fuck it.
think we can fuck with it when we actually figure out where we're gonna put it.
As long as we get it on there.
Yeah. And put the dump tube on there.
Okay. I mean, we can mock it up for now, but I think it's gonna get in the way. I don't think we can install it yet. All right, so we're just gonna mock up the dump tube just to see how it looks, just for shits and giggles, because, yeah. We might have to take this off when we put the engine in, because stuff might get in the way. If we do, we do. No problem. All right, this is all V-band clamp, so it's really easy to take off.
Alright, so we're gonna put the turbo on, just test out the fitment and get, I guess start running lines for the new turbo, since we're going rotated, so you have to run all new lines for it and everything. So yeah, we're gonna put the new turbo on now, just a mock up real quick.
Oh yeah, let's do it. Yeah, the line's gonna get in the way.
Huh?
That line's gotta go.
What, the oil line?
Yeah.
That was the old oil line for the turbo, yeah?
Oh man, you're making me blush. Really?
What?
Alright guys, big turbo is now on, so it's not on there permanently. We might have to do some adjustments when we get the engine inside the car, but it's mocked up for now. Looks like it's gonna fit just fine. Next thing we gotta do, we gotta change out the tensioner, which we showed you earlier, but that's really easy. That's just one bolt, and yeah, we're gonna do that.
The new stock tensioner.
We rotated the engine a few times. Everything is good. Everything runs smooth. No issues whatsoever. We cleaned the inside of these because these were gunked up with oil. And then we're just going to put these on and move on to something else. So we're just putting on the Cosworth air pump delete. Why? Because we don't need it no more. So this is just a kit, just 2 block off plates, put some hardware, and we're gonna use the OEM gaskets because that should be fine enough. Casey's just cleaning off the gaskets and we should be good to go. Don't need that.
Oh shit.
All right, Casey. Oh, a couple hours of work. We got a lot done, don't you think?
I mean, we got a little bit done. So yeah, we got the headers on, up pipe, turbo mocked up. Still got to run all the lines for the turbo. So we did the air pump delete. Not really much to show there. It's just 2 little block off plates. Timing belts on. Got the new tensioner on. So definitely making some pretty good progress on the engine. We should be able to drop it into the car here in a couple days, I would say, as long as we find all the parts that we keep misplacing.
It's like the bolts for all these.
Yeah.
Can't find.
Yeah.
A couple of valve cover bolts that are missing. Just small stuff.
Yeah, I mean, if anything, I'm just gonna go buy some new ones. They're only a couple bucks, so.
Yeah, no big deal.
But yeah, definitely starting to make some good progress.
Yeah. So yeah, if there's anything you guys recommend, please drop it down on the comments below. Casey did purchase something big, like I mentioned earlier, for the car, and we'll show you guys that. Some of you guys probably already know, and no, it's not that printer in the background. But yeah, so big things are coming, and well, we don't want to tell them about that yet.
Nah, next week.
Next week. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, that is it. You know, and Casey, do the outro, man.
All right.